Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose Additional Settings. Then Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Settings. Over here, go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next. Adjust the brightness and tap Done. Lastly, Apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!